Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas to one and all, and wishing you a very great 2022 in advance. And today in this channel, before we sign off this year completely, we have yet another unboxing to go. And this is a very special package. It has arrived all the way from the Middle East. My friend who had just returned from Dubai got this comics for me from there. And the best part of it is these are comics you don't get it in India. These are single issues. Unfortunately, Dubai has some comic book shops which do sell them. So that's how I got hold of this bunch of comics, and after a long wait, they are finally there in my hands. So today we are going to just open this packet up and just have a glimpse of what comics did arrive. And there are some special ones here, especially some signed ones. So without further ado, let's just jump in. So we finally have the outer wrapping open, which is this cardboard box. There is still some more unboxing to do, but we will do that later. Those are something special. And the first thing that you will notice in this package is Nocterra Volume 1 Full Throttle Dark. I'm not going to go into a review of this book. I'm just going to show you some pages of this book. But the most exciting part of getting this book is that it's written by Scott Snyder and the art is done by Tony S. Daniel, right? So two of the great creators, and kind of like a fan favorite for me. So now what makes this so special, right? It's the question is, this is like a trade paperback, and you could get a trade paperback in India as well, right? So why is this special? The special part of this is that it is actually signed by both Scott and Tony themselves, right? So this is their signatures. That's been done specifically by Image Comics, and that's why what makes this trade paperback very special. I've not had any trade paperback before this which is signed. I've had single issues which are signed, not a trade paperback, and I've heard great things about Nocterra. Yet to read it, but the artwork by Tony S. Daniel always stands out, and stories by Scott Snyder always, it never disappoints. So great combination. So really look forward to reading this story, and I should be doing a full-fledged review of this comics, because this is going to be one amazing ride, especially when you have a book which is signed by both the great creators behind them. So I just took a dive right in and asked my friend to get this one. It has some fantastic art, the way I'm looking at it, and you guys can also see the same. But what does the story hold? That's something which I need to find out for myself. So that's Nocterra by Scott Snyder and Tony S. Daniel with their own special signatures. Next one I told him to pick up was this book called Wonder Woman Historia, The Amazons. The reason why is I've heard a lot of things being talked about this book, because the artwork of this book, from what I've been told, is something extraordinary, maybe something which is not even seen in comics till date. So that's what attracted me into this, and you guys could already see why. I'm not going to go through a full panel page by page of this, but I think I should. May not be in this video, but in a video I will make soon. I think I will give you a glimpse of this entire magnanimous artwork, right, which you guys are seeing right in front of you. But yeah, I don't want to spoil the fun and reveal it all, but this is one must-have book simply for the artwork, right? And it's a black label, it's a DC black label. So I'll be doing a specific video just for this after I've read the book, but that's a very special edition right there. Now we go into this packet, which is actually a couple of single issues, and there again there is something special because one of these books which I will open up again has a signature in it, and this time this one comes with a certificate of authenticity as well. So while the last one had Scott Snyder in it, I didn't get the certificate with it unfortunately, but this one is going to have that. So that's what makes it so special. And there are two comics in here. So this is the one, guys, this is the one. This is Justice League #1 by Snyder, and you could already see the Snyder signature right there. And you also have another signature. So there are two guys, and there is a certificate of authenticity. It's signed by Mark Brooks and Scott Snyder. Guarantees the authenticity of the signature. So I'm not opening up this book, guys. I just want to preserve it as carefully as I can, but you get the gist of this beautiful book. I picked up one more. This one is The Adventures of Superman 501. This is a minor key. It's the first appearance of Connor Kent, the guy right here. First full appearance of Connor Kent, who is a mix of Kryptonian DNA and Lex Luthor. So yeah, I picked up those two books from that as well. So those are all the comics that I had in store with this special unboxing, guys. So in case you guys feel that I should do a specific review on any of this, or in case you guys want to know more about any of the stories, themes, or the signatures, do let me know in my comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed this special edition video unboxing. If so, there are much more in store for you guys in 22, and I'm planning a giveaway video very soon. I think it should be up in a day or two, where I'm going to announce what's going to be the giveaway for 1000 subscribers on this channel. So watch out for that. Bye bye.